Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Kenworth T370 utility service crane truck. Has a Tiger 10621, it's 11,000 pound, 21 foot reach crane. It's fully hydraulic, has a wireless Tiger remote, has fully hydraulic outriggers, curbside extension, a Boss Infinity hydraulic air compressor. It's loaded out with tool drawers. It is a 14-foot bed. Truck runs, drives, operates as it should. The truck itself has 292,000 miles, but only 8,040 idle hours, or excuse me, just total engine hours. So it wasn't idling a whole lot. It's a really, really nice truck, low hours, ready to rock and roll. We've gone through it in our shop. It runs, drives, and operates as good as it looks. Now, this was a nice Southern truck when it came in. No major rust anywhere on this thing. So this is all original. The underside's original. The utility boxes, you can see there's no paint work. So you do have some minor scrapes and scratches from it being original, but when they're looking like this, we try to keep them in this way. Good tires all the way around. Frame and underside's in really nice condition. You can see it's a nice shiny black color. That's how we got the truck. We just kind of scrubbed up the frame a little bit, cleaned it off, but look at that. It's hard to find a truck that looks this good being a 2013 with those miles. I gotta see exactly where it came up from, but it wasn't a rust climate, that's for sure, a cold climate. It does have some creature comforts in here, power door locks. It's got a power passenger side window. But the interior shows pretty nice. Driver's seat's not all ripped up. Headliner's in good condition. Dashboard shows nice. So we've got 291,583 on our miles. We'll go ahead and start it up. Air conditioning blows cold. Heat blows hot. 8,039 hours. So that's the hours of a much lower mileage truck. So obviously hours matters, and that is really low hours on this truck. Engine brake. This is an air ride truck, and it does have differential lock, so you can dump the air from up here, but it does have the differential lock as well. AM FM radio, heat, air conditioning, cruise control. Eaton 10-speed, that's pretty cool. This is a 33,000 GVW truck. Really nice interior for what it is. Inside and out, I mean, this truck is really nice. Somebody took care of it. It does have 2 sets of drawers in this D1 cabinet. They are made by Eagle Pro. They open and close as they should. They're actually a little tight. They haven't been used, I don't think. And there is a tool drawer or toolbox in this. Not super fancy or extremely high quality, but it is there. But you can see inside these bins are just excellent shape. No major wear present. Tires in great shape. Got good tread all the way around. Looking through there, you can see that frame peeking through. It's a nice shiny color. A little bit of scratching showing in some of these bins and compartments, but like I said, we kept her all original just because it was nice. Off the back here, the workstation, I mean, this is in excellent shape. You got a little bit of, obviously from jumping in and out of here and working off the back, you got some paint scrapes and whatnot, but this truck's in extremely good original condition. In between the boxes, all shows really nice. Again, I'm not going to say it again, but I will say it one more time. All original. I felt like if we painted this thing, we'd be doing this truck a disservice. It is a nice original truck. Well, there we go. I said it again. But Tiger crane operates as it should. I mean, everything on this truck is just beautiful. It's exactly how you want to buy them. It's exactly how we want to buy them. I wish I could buy this truck every single day. It's a nice bed. It's very high quality, well built. STI puts out a good product. And then Tiger crane is a very nice crane. You do have some storage under the workstation back here. We got a small tear in the floor there in the back, but crane compartment, you can see wireless remote. The tether's under it, but it is wireless. Got hydraulic outrigger controls. Again, the curbside does extend and retract hydraulically. Got a hose reel in this compartment. Super nice body on this truck. I don't know what the guy running this thing did, or if he just took really good care of it, but this thing is in great shape. I wish they all looked like this. Tank storage. Well, a very, very nice truck. I can show you underneath over here. Super nice. Even the cab's in really nice condition with no major scrapes, scratches, dings, or dents. This is a 2013, so it does take DEF. All the emissions are still intact and it's operating as it should. A beautiful truck. Got some light scrapes and scratches on this front hood area, as you can see, but gosh, what a beauty. It's a nice truck. Inside and out, and it operates and drives just as good as it looks. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. We're switch to the operational aspect of the crane. But a really nice truck. Hard to find them like this. Hard to find them in this condition, being all original. It's a great truck, low hours. It's ready to rock and roll. I think it's priced right. I think it'll sell fast. Give me a call. We'll get it sold to you. Thank you guys for watching. We're Lewis Motor Company located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. Our website's lewistrucks.com. It's LEWIS, trucks with an S.com. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. Call me and I'll give you a quote on that. But real nice truck. Stay tuned for an operational video.